Is your BMW door handle starting to look all nasty and disgusting like this one? Is the soft plastic finish starting to chip and peel away? Let's look at a quick and cheap solution to fix that problem. You can find a variety of options on eBay. Search for F01 door handle insert. Sort by lowest price. You'll find a variety of options starting in the $20 price range. Here's a closer look at the insert. It has the same finish as the original handle. Match the insert to the door card. Push it in until it clicks. It's not a perfect solution, but it does the trick. The soft touch plastic has an OEM feel. The fit and finish are of good quality, and for the most part the cover fits pretty well. My one complaint is with the rear doors. The insert left huge gaps on both sides, which is totally unacceptable. Thankfully, these are still in pretty good condition, so I will be removing these. Anyway, that's it, and I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and take care.